All right, welcome back, guys. So basically, before we get started, like before we delve into the course properly, I wanted to show you some alternatives to creating mobile apps without actually coding. Okay, I just wanted to do a quick review and show you some platforms that you can actually use, and then I'll tell you the pros and the cons. Okay, so this is the first. This is Andromo. And basically with Andromo you can actually create apps without coding. They have a free trial plan that you can actually try out their service and see if it's something you like. Okay, all right, so let me just run through. This is Adalu, and basically the same description applies. So you can actually create apps without coding on this platform. And then we have Appgazer. I think I've actually tried Appgazer in the past, okay, and I was not, I was not very happy with the service, okay, because of the kinds of ads they were displaying on my app, okay. So they claim that they have like a free, platform where you can easily just create apps, and then there is a revenue share policy they run, but I found out they actually, breach some of the um, expectations you have. Okay, so but I still just wanted to mention them just for information purpose. All right, so we have Lumavate. Okay, I think these guys, I think they are actually newer on the app development space. Okay, so I have not really tried them out, but of course it's something you can check out. And then last but not least, we have Appy Pie. Okay, so these guys, they are really big. They are one of the big players in the mobile app, codeless mobile app creation industry. Now, being able to create an app without actually coding is a very, like, it's a good thing, because you can actually create and monetize an app and start earning as as you start getting active users, as your user base begins to grow. But there is also a disadvantage. Okay, so let me show you. The first one is actually the pricing. So you actually have to pay to create apps, and if you're starting out, well, depends on the part of the world you are. $8 might not seem much for some people, but for some others, paying $8 per month may seem actually much. And then there's even some limitation on what you can do. Okay, so you're paying $8 per month and you're actually not monetizing your app. Okay, so you see here that it said no monetization. So and I think this is actually maybe like the cheapest for the payments. Okay, and basically that's it. And whenever you stop making these payments, you lose access to your app. Okay, so you will not be able to access your dashboard on their platform to update your app and stuff like that. So it's really complex. Okay, and that's one of the reasons why I'm creating this course, because in this course you are really not actually coding, okay, because you're just working with an app toolkit I've created, and you'll be able to monetize your app and get all of the revenues as you start getting users. Okay, so I just wanted to do this quick video to just show you other platforms that exist that you can actually use to create your apps. Okay, but for all these platforms, you're going to have to pay a monthly subscription. But with the skill you learn in this video, you're not going to have to pay anyone. You're not going to have to share any of the revenue you generate. It all belongs to you. Okay, and you can create as many apps as you like. All you need is your computer and internet access, and of course access to learn in this course. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.